Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the examiners board. First of all, let's praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His gift. I can make this research proposal. Before that, I want to thank to Dr. Christian Wiradendi Wolor, SAMM, and Rizky Firdausi Rahmadania, SAMSM, as my lecturer who has guided me all this time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sasha Al-Sabila. I am from Office Administration of Education 2018. And at this opportunity, I want to present my research proposal about the influence of locus of control and emotional intelligence on ethical behavior. So here is the overview, what I want to present. There are three chapters in here. The first one is about research background. The second one is about literature review. And the last one about research methods. Ethics is the foundation for every human being to act and behave appropriately in our daily life. Ethics help every human to distinguish which actions are believed to be good, right, bad, and wrong in every context of life. For example, socializing among others, conducting teaching and learning activities in the world of education, working in companies and government agency and other fields of work is not be separated by ethics. In an effort to develop ethical values as the basis for improving quality Indonesia human resources, or HR, cannot be separated from the role of Indonesia young generation to bring about quality real change and behave ethically. One of the changes that can be made is the context of education, where education is a forum for changing mindset towards the world, expressing opinions and innovation, and building ethical behavior, among others. However, the current problem is that there is a low quality of human resources in Indonesia in terms of cognitive and the character development. This is also supported by data on the Education Index in Southeast Asia, which states that Indonesia is in the bottom 5 levels with an index value is 0,650. The factors that influence the low level of human resources and education in Indonesia are uneven education, low mastery of technology, and low soft skill of students. As I explained before on the previous slide, one of the low HR factors is the low soft skill of students. This was explained by Sugeng, who stated that in the current Indonesia condition, some students are more focused on achieving specific hard skill, but for the soft skill is still lacking. In this case, soft skill consists of various kinds. Two of that is self-control and emotional intelligence. Therefore, I am interested in taking these two things as factors that influence students' ethical behavior. The low locus of control is results in a low level of condition the students have in solving the problems they face to still be able to behave ethically. And the low emotional intelligence will be more difficult to reason their own emotions, so they cannot behave ethically and have ethical thoughts. In supporting the issue of ethical behavior, I conducted a pre-research to determine the percentage level of ethical behavior in Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. And based on the pie chart data of ethical behavior above, it can be stated that 60% of students feel they have not been able to behave ethically in complying with academic regulations caused by several factors, um, such as the first one is the factors about influence by peers, the second one about low emotional controls, and the last factor in several times disobeyed the rules. And then for based on the result of pie chart data of the factor that influence ethical behavior, it can be stated that emotional intelligence and locus of control have higher percentage compared to parental support and self-confidence with a percentage 60 8% and 66%. So from the results of the pre-research and data and the background that I have explained before, I am interested examining the influence of locus of control and emotional intelligence on ethical behavior. So this is my research question and my research purpose. The first one, is there any influence of locus of control and ethical behavior on ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta student? The second one, is there any influence of emotional intelligence on ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta student? The last one, is there any influence of locus of control and emotional intelligence on ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta student? And for the research purpose, to find out how the influence of locus of control and ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta students. The second one, to find out how the influence of emotional intelligence on ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta students. And the last one, to find out simultaneously locus of control and emotional intelligence on ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta students. So on the chapter 2, I will explain the literature review. And this is my theoretical background of my research. I have 3 variables in here. The first one is about ethical background. Rihanna et al. 2021 defines that students' ethical behavior is an individual action that is in accordance with the student's code of ethics as an effort to behave properly, correctly, and has a moral nature. And the indicator is stated by Anjarwati 2018 argues that indicators of ethical behavior are behavior that is in accordance with social norms, is generally accepted, and is related to correct and beneficial norms. And for the second one, the variable is locus of control. Zulkaida et al. 2012 states that locus of control is a concept related to individual beliefs about events that occur in his life and is closely related to action and the resulting impact. For the indicator is stated by Arifin and Rahayu 2011 argues that indicators of locus of control are internal, powerful, other, and change. For the emotional intelligence, it is stated by Ahdan Nur Said 2018 stated that emotional intelligence is related to the ability to know the feelings of oneself and others and to use the feelings they have to guide one's behavior and thoughts. For the indicators, it is stated by Maharani 2017 argues that indicators of emotional intelligence are knowing your own emotion, managing emotion, motivating yourself, and recognizing others people's emotion and building relationship. So this is the relevant research of my research. The first one is from Sutri Handayani 2016 with the title Faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi perilaku etis mahasiswa akuntansi Universitas Islam Lamongan. The variable are emotional intelligence and ethical behavior, and the results, there is an influence between emotional intelligence on ethical behavior. Second one is from Ririn Riyana, Kurniawati Mutmainah, and Rizky Maulid 2021 with the title Kecerdasan Spiritual dan Locus of Control terhadap Perilaku Etis Mahasiswa Akuntansi Universitas Sains Al-Quran di Wonosobo. And the variable are locus of control, emotional intelligence, and ethical behavior. The results, there is a positive and significant effect between emotional intelligence and locus of control with ethical behavior of accounting students. Third, the researchers are Dewi Rajmania and Muhammad Zulman Hakim 2021 with the title Pengaruh Equity Sensitivity, Gender, Intellectual Intelligence, and Locus of Control terhadap Ethical Behavior. The variable are locus of control and ethical behavior, and the results, locus of control affect the ethical behavior of students. For Rahayu Indriasari, Nimade Suitri Parwati 2020 with the title Ethical Behavior of Accounting Undergraduate Students, Emotional Intelligence, Spiritual Intelligence, and Locus of Control. The variable are locus of control, emotional intelligence, and ethical behavior, and the results, emotional intelligence, spiritual intelligence, and locus of control simultaneously affect the ethical behavior. And the last one from Putu Agus Surgiarta dan Desak Nyoman Sri Werastuti 2021 with the title Pengaruh Locus of Control, Integrity, Equity Sensitivity, dan Budaya Etis Organisasi terhadap perilaku etis mahasiswa akuntansi, and the variable are locus of control and ethical behavior. And the results, locus of control have a positive and significant effect on students' ethical behavior. Next, this is my theoretical review of my research. I have three variables in here. For dependent variable, I have ethical behavior. For the independent variable, I have locus of control and emotional intelligence. For the results of locus of control and ethical behavior, locus of control affect ethical behavior. This was stated by Yovita 2016, Rahmania and Hakim 2021, Rashid, Jafar Pieman, and Hanif 2014, Riana et al. 2021, Sugiarta and Werasuti 2021. Second, emotional intelligence affect ethical behavior. This was stated by Isaac 2018, Sari 2016, TK Dewi and Wirakusuma 2018, Despandi and Joseph 2017, Suryaningsi and Wahyudin 2019, and then Dang Meiji and Singh 2017. And the last one, locus of control affect and emotional intelligence affect ethical behavior. This was stated by Sari 2016, Indriya Sari et al. 2020, and then Parwati et al. 2020. So here's my hypothesis of my research. For hypothesis 1, locus of control affect ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta student. The second one, emotional intelligence affect ethical behavior of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta student. And the last one, on hypothesis 3, locus of control and emotional intelligence affect ethical behavior students. So this is the last capture of my research proposal about research methods. For the research time, I will research on March 2022 until May 2022. For the research place, I will at Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. And the research design, I will use survey methods with quantitative research. For data collection technique, I will use questionnaire by Google Form. And for the population is bachelor student of Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, batch 2018. For the sample are 218 respondents. So this is my research instrument. There are three variables in here. The first one about ethical behavior. Anjarwati 2018 stated ethical behavior indicator are behavior that conforms to social norm, generally acceptable behavior, and right and beneficial action. And for the locus of control variable, Arifin and Rahayu 2011 stated that locus of control indicator are aspect I, P, and C, which are internal, powerful other, and change. For the last variable is emotional intelligence, that Isaac 2018 stated that emotional intelligence indicator are know our feelings, motivate ourselves, controlling our emotions, and building relationship with others people. And this is the last data analysis technique that I use. The first one about the test instrument that I will use is validity and reliability test. The second one, I will use descriptive statistic analysis. Third, I will use classic assumption test, which include normality, linearity, multicollinearity, and heteroscedasticity test. And four, I will use multiple regression analysis, And the last one, I will use hypothesis test, which include partial or t-test, simultan or f-test, and coefficient of determination. So that is my research proposal. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.